It's summertime and I imagine you're watching this video because you've thrown away those baggy jumpers. And you want to get rid of the belly fat. Well, you've come to the right video because I'm going to tell you with the help of science how to get rid of belly fat. Now what I won't be doing in this video is telling you to do something extreme like 1,000 sit-ups a day from a pole hanging upside down because, well, it's a little difficult, and also my tips are actually better. However, if you do mix exercise with my tips, then the results will be even better. So before we begin, please remember that belly fat can also be a sign that your health is at risk of other conditions like type 2 diabetes, heart disease. So not only is getting rid of your belly fat going to make you look better, it's also the make you healthier. So I guess it's a win-win. Now dietitians recommend that if you eat 500 less calories than your daily requirement every day, you're going to be losing about 0.45 kilograms every 7 days, which is about 1.8 kilograms every 4 weeks. Which is pretty incredible to say you're gonna be losing that much weight without doing any extra exercise just by eating less food. Now you're probably thinking to yourself, but Abraham, I already know this. Everybody knows this: eat less food, lose more weight, which you are correct, but here's how you do it properly according to a study done from Oxford University. Which leads me on to tip number 1. So to do this, you're going to have to get rid of snacks between meals. You're going to be having 3 meals a day and no snacks between them. If you do snack, you're probably not going to hit that target of 500 calories less than your daily requirement. Tip number 2, it's all about portion size. So you don't need to change what you eat, but you are gonna have to change your portion size, and I'm going to tell you all about that next. So in the study, participants were told to eat no more than a fist-sized portion at each meal. So what does this mean? This means that you can only have a daily intake of 3 fist-sized full of carbs, 2 palm-sized portions of lean protein, and 2 cupfuls of vegetable or salad. The participants could also have 2 fist sizes of fruit, and they could also have 2 servings of fat or oil covering the tip of the thumb. Now, participants could also have 200 ml of skimmed or semi-skimmed milk, or if they didn't want to have milk, they could have 2 pots or 2 125-gram pots of natural low-calorie yogurt. Now I'll leave the full description of this diet in the description below for you as well. Tip number 3. Now in the study, participants were told that they could eat their usual foods, which is great. You can do that too, but remember, if your usual food consists of high sugary foods or high-fat foods like fast food, for example, then you're gonna need to avoid it, and that was tip number 3. Now when it comes to the results of this study, it's pretty incredible, but before we go there was also another group in this study who didn't change their diet but instead did 10-minute abdominal workouts every day for 6 weeks, and it had a great result. There was a 2-centimeter reduction in their waistline, but the clear winner of this study was our group, the diet control group. So after 6 weeks there was a reduction of 5 centimeters in the waistline, which is incredible. There was also improvements in health parameters like blood pressure, like blood glucose and lipids. Now just imagine for a second if you were to mix the abdominal workout group with the diet control group, which is our group. Just imagine the results. Now please remember, if you have thought about getting unlicensed diet pills because it might seem like a quick fix solution, just remember this, that the contents are unknown, unproven and untested. Also, 2 in 3 people have report serious side effects from them. Now I also made a video a while ago with the MHRA about an unlicensed diet, so if you'd like more information on this, I'll leave a link up here and in the description below for you. So check it out. Also, a big thank you to my fan in Australia for sending me this tie. It's got little kangaroos on it and it looks fantastic. I really like it. Thank you so much. They've asked to remain anonymous, so I won't give their name, but thank you again, and lets us know how you get on with these tips, and if you've got any of your own tips, leave a comment too. See you next I think the results could be stammers pretty incredible and I messed that up laughter. Please remember that the contents are unknown, untested and unsomething something laughter. Conditions to like type 2 diabetes. Type 2 diabetes is very bad laughter. Hey guys, thanks for watching this week's video. Make sure to click that like, follow or subscribe button now to stay up to date with new weekly videos.